In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove background noise in CapCut quickly and easily on PC. If you've recorded a clip and the audio has unwanted hum, fan noise, traffic, or just general room noise, this simple method can help clean things up and make your voice sound much clearer. This is perfect for tutorials, voiceovers, interviews, and any video where clean audio matters. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and easy editing tips. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC and load up the project you want to work on. If you already have your video created, just open that project. If not, you can start a new one and bring in the clip you want to fix. Once you're inside CapCut, the next step is to add your video or audio file to the timeline. You can do this by dragging and dropping the file into the editor, or by importing it from your media panel and placing it directly on the timeline. Now that your clip is in the timeline, click on the audio track or select the video clip itself. This is important because CapCut needs you to choose the specific clip you want to clean up. In many cases, the audio is attached to the video, so selecting the video clip will let you access the audio settings at the side panel. If you only have a separate audio file, just click that audio track instead. With the clip selected, look over to the right-hand panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of the editing controls for the selected item. Find the audio section and click into it if it isn't already open. Inside this menu, you should see an option called Noise Reduction or Reduce Noise, depending on your version of CapCut. This is the setting that helps remove background noise from your audio. Turn on Noise Reduction or Reduce Noise, and CapCut will begin processing the clip to reduce unwanted sound in the background. In some cases, you may notice the audio sounds much cleaner right away. If your version gives you a strength setting or slider, you can adjust it carefully to balance clarity and natural sound. A stronger setting can reduce more noise, but if you push it too far, the voice may sound a little artificial, so it's always best to test and listen back. After you enable the noise reduction, play back a section of the video and listen closely. This is the best way to check whether the voice sounds clearer and whether the background noise has been reduced enough. If it still sounds too noisy, you can fine-tune the setting if your version allows it. If it sounds too processed, lower the effect a little until it feels more natural. The goal is to keep your voice crisp while removing distractions in the background. Once you're happy with the result, you're basically done. You can continue editing your video, add captions, music, transitions, or export the final version with much cleaner audio. This is one of the easiest ways to improve the quality of your content without needing any advanced audio software. Even a small amount of noise reduction can make a huge difference in how professional your video sounds. So, just to recap, open your project in CapCut PC, add your video or audio file to the timeline, select the clip, go to the audio panel on the right, and turn on noise reduction or reduce noise. That's all it takes to remove background noise in CapCut and make your audio sound much better. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more simple editing guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.